Okay, so here is a, a gift for my fiance that I designed in here. It'll probably also be on sale on my Etsy site. If she lets me, she's kind of touchy about that stuff. So let's go over to see how she printed here. There we have her on the plate. Take it right off, just falls right off. Here we have it. You have my heart. Little post-processing I need to do here. Crags. And there's a little loop here for any kind of keychain or any kind of ribbon. Anyways, I think it turned out very good. I think she'll like that. Alright, so here's the final product. I don't know, a little charm on a double lobster claw. And I am going to print a box for it. Another thing we're firing up today is the clone helmet that my son designed. It's a hollowed out helmet that we print on the resin printer. And we put a light in it, and you can see right here where the light goes through. And that's already processing right now. That's a 12-hour, 14-hour print. I can't remember. So that turns into a light. You can see it on my Etsy site. This is what we got going on so far here. Printing him right out. Looks like we might have an issue at the top there. No, we don't. We'll be able to fix that. Shoot, I hope we'll be able to fix that. Anyways,